Peter, I know you've been holding for quite a while, but we are going to keep you through the top of the hour. I don't want to rush you through and then Josh trying to run us off. So you hang on, and we'll get to you here at the top of the hour, if you will. I'm going to take a quick email here, and this is from Rick. He's got a 2016 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 engine, and it has a ticking noise in the motor. And he says it's, of course, very, very common from what he hears. And the dealer is actually recommending a new engine for it. And it's got one of those notorious Pentastar 3.6 liter engines in it. It's kind of like this. The manufacturer recommends a 520 oil for those motors, and that 520 is just way too thin. And if you run it anything other than a polyalpha-olefin synthetic, it doesn't have the ability to run the heat and friction, which is, you get a lot of heat and friction and created by the rollers on the rocker arms on these engines. And normal, just regular oil runs away from them. The rollers on the rockers go bad, and if it's driven a long time like that, the rockers will knock the keepers off the valves drop, hit the piston, and you're dealing with a boat anchor, all because of the oil that you're using in those. My advice is, in this particular case, if it's ticking, need to pull the cam covers on it, inspect, and see how far the damage is. It may just need a set of rocker arms put in it, and then switch it to a strict diet of nothing but 0W30 AMSOIL Signature Series oil. Going to that 030, that's going to give you more viscosity. You're also going to have an oil that's running to heat and friction, help lubricate them rollers on those rockers, and hopefully the engine will last a ripe old age, and that's a whole lot cheaper than having to replace the engine in that vehicle. Plus, right now, you can't even get them. They're just such a back order for them that it'd be liable to be 4 months to get a 3.6 engine, so you're better off try to take care of it with the AMSOIL 0W30.